You want to quickly organize your data in MATLAB, whether it's ranking result, sorting numbers, or arranging columns. The sort function is your go-to tool in MATLAB to do all of these things. So basically, what this sort function is. Sort function arranges the elements of vectors or matrix in ascending or descending order. It's simple, flexible, and extremely useful function in data analysis. Now let me take an example and explain to you how to use this function and what type of result you can get after using this function. So here we have A matrix, which is a random number matrix, and then we have written sort into the bracket of A. And now let's run. So this is our original A matrix and this is the sorted result. It by default arrange everything into ascending order. If you want this to be in descending order, you need to make a small modification here. Write descending. And there you go. Here it is in descending order. So it works both way, ascending and descending. The best part of this sort is it also works with matrices. You can sort rows or columns. Depending on which dimensions you want to choose, you can sort any of these. So now here we have a matrix B. Let's run this thing. So this is our matrix B. Now we want to sort this matrix B. So if we directly write this B, then we need to tell it either we want to sort rows or columns. And in order to sort columns, you need to write 1. If you write 1, it will sort the column. Here it is. C 351937. And instead this, if you want to sort row or does sorting row wise, then you're supposed to write 2 and run. And now you can see the sorting will be done row wise. So this type of sorting is very useful when you are scoring or ranking or preparing data to plot something, right? I'll give you quickly short example of this so that you can better understand. So here we have an example in which we have varieties of scores, right? And we want to arrange it in descending order. So now let's run this thing, and here we have. So as we have arranged it in descending order, now you know who comes first, second and third. To identify this in just these 6 digits, it's quite simple and you find it, is it a joke or what? But when you have a large data and you want to implement multiple logics to sort the data, at that time this type of functions could be very useful. So when next time you are organizing your numbers, matrices or even tables, remember this sort function. This will make it very quick and easy to sort your data. So see you into the next video. Till the time, bye bye.